In this episode, the team uncovers Ember Basin in the Ouachita Foothills, a hidden town beside waterfalls. They stroll sunlit trails, reveal a moss-hidden waterfall, and sample a peachy regional pie. A lantern bloom festival fills the streets with music, crafts, and stories locals guard. Insider tips show quiet buses, street food before crowds, and shooting sunrise in canyon fog. Viewers leave with photo-ready viewpoints, tasty secrets, and respectful slow travel habits that honor this gem.